All right, welcome back to how to embed your code into your project, your e-portfolio. So now that you've created your framework for your website, you're probably thinking about, I want to embed some things into it. So we'll start off with a very simple microbit project. So let's say that you're in here, you're doing your buttons and lights project, and you want to take that code and put it into your website. So I'm going to go over to Microsoft, make code. Sorry about that. So we've got our new project here. So let's just say that we've finished our project. It's called test. And we had, we're showing some on start, we're showing a very basic symbol, whatever, doesn't matter, right? So once you get your project and you feel good about what you've done, you're going to click share and you're going to have the name of it. So already I've named this test. If I want to change my name, this can be, star, and we're going to publish this. And so what that means is your project is now being saved and shared to the world. Now, what we can do is take this unique code, and there's multiple ways to share it. You can either do it in Facebook, Twitter, with this QR code, or just copy and paste this link. But in fact, we're going to use the embed code. And the reason we want to use the embed is because we actually want to sort of bring your project into and host it on the website, or look like it's being hosted on the website. And so what we're going to do is we have 3 different options here, and I'll let you explore the different options. One is just the code, one is the editor, and one is the simulator. So I'm just going to go ahead with the editor. So I'm just going to click down here, see it selects it all. So I'm going to press copy, and it's copied it all. And then I'm going to go back to my e-portfolio. And so it's going to be on buttons and lights. So I'm just going to double click here and embed. So here where it says embed from the web, I have URL or embed code. So because I got some embed code, I'm going to go in here and I'm just going to paste this in here. So this is HTML. So for those of you that know that coding language, this tells us a little bit about things that are going on. So we've got a different style, and we've got an iframe. So we've got a frame that's going to be hosting certain things. It's going to have a certain width and a height. The source, so this SRC is the source of it. So that's the website that's the website that we saw before. And yeah, so there's different things that will sort of open and close our brackets here. So this backslash closes it off. But yeah, that's more for another course where you actually get into HTML. And then we're going to click next, and then it's going to show us what it will look like. And so this looks to be great. That's what I wanted. I'm going to click insert, and there we are. So we've got our project. Now, in terms of the project, taking up here on the left-hand side, so I can just drag it over, and you'll see that there's sort of these lines that are on here that will tell us if we're in the middle, if we're off to the side, and it sort of helps us to align things. So on my other site that I had quickly showed you, I showed a code on one side and then some plain English on the other side. So we'll do the same here. So I can now double click over here, add some text, and this is my star project. Look at how bright it is. Great. So there it is. So I can have this next to it. I can also take this and put it underneath it. So this will be like a caption on here. So when I drag this, it will stay with it. So that's sort of nice little thing. And then the other thing, The other thing that we can then do is add some more stuff over here if we wanted to. You know, embed another project or embed another image or something like that. So I'll show you how to do that in the next video. No, I'm going to show you in another video, so that for those people that want to just embed drawings. All right, so embed your microbit code into your website. Thanks very much for watching. And if you have any questions, please reach out.